Okay, so let's continue. Section B, additional aspects of performing Mitzvos Tzedakah. A, give with a smile. Do not show disappointment. Okay. When one gives tzedakah, one should do so with a cheerful smile and a happy heart. So not only outside, but inside also. One should speak kindly with the indigent and sympathize with his situation. Right? So because, as our sages say, the life is a circle. So today he is down, Chas v'shalom, tomorrow maybe you're going to be down. But since for sure, life is a circle for sure, and Hashem is running this world measure for measure also for sure. So if I'm kind to somebody, so Beezrat Hashem, somebody is going to be kind to me when Chas v'shalom I'm in that situation. Right? So give us a smile, like with an open heart. Alternatively, one who dispenses tzedakah to indigent, but then one said that displeasure in giving loses the merit of the mitzvah. Like, why would you do that? Right? The merit of the mitzvah, because right, even if he gave a very large donation, very interesting, very large donation, it is irrelevant. However, one who is unhappy about donation tzedakah, but does not make apparent to the poor person, still fulfill the mitzvah of tzedakah, as we established in the previous chapter. Right? So if he gives, if he made the other person know, right, aware that he's not happy, throw his money or like, get this money, never see my face again, right, or something like that. So he loses the mitzvah of tzedakah. So it's not tzedakah. Right, but if it's only internally upset, this guy comes, he should get finally a job or something. So that's you still get the mitzvah of tzedakah since you gave, but not a good idea. Okay, because just losing the reward. Next one, B, given from the best. It is meritorious to condition oneself to dispense tzedakah from the best possessions when fulfilling the mitzvah. In fact, this applies to the performance of all of the mitzvahs. So since all of the mitzvahs you have to beautify, right, to make it in the best way possible. So in this way, right, with tzedakah, so for example, you want to buy somebody a gift, right? So somebody who cannot afford, like shoes, right? Somebody cannot, children's shoes, right? So you cannot buy like the cheapest one. So buy some like medium. I understand buy the most expensive. That's stupid, but buy some good quality stuff, right? Or food. Don't buy somebody like some spoiled food or something. Some that is going to start rat the day after tomorrow, right? So no, buy them good quality food. The mitzvah should also be performed wholeheartedly. It should preferably be attended, to which even greater care with alacrity than the doing for oneself. So very interesting. So first, given from the best, and with enthusiasm, do it as soon as possible, and even better than hurry, even with alacrity, have alacrity, even better that you would do it for yourself. Like you need and somebody else needs, so do for somebody else first. C, given to avoid poverty. Sorry. Some are accustomed at the time of dispense tzedakah to daven that he or his children never come to the point of needing tzedakah. So of course it's that's like I said about red string today. So that's a red string in some sense, right? You want some insurance, right? That not to be in need, right? So to always be from a given side. So prove to Hashem. So I'm the best cashier. I'm the best banker right for you. So you send me money. You send me money. You give me 10 whatever. You give me amount. I'm going to deliver that amount as reward. You give me 90% of what you send me, what you gave compared to what you give to that person. Okay, so if you're such a responsible person, so of course Hashem is going to use you, right? Why not? Okay, so because He wants to provide for these poor people, and He already promised, so He needs some trusted employees. Next one, D, making a bracha. Okay, so meaning one second. So one more time, the previous one. So right, so if you want not to get poor, right, not you and not your children. So that one, right? So I want Hashem. I don't want to be in this situation, and I want to help other people. So help me not to get to this situation. Making a bracha. When giving tzedakah, one does not make a bracha, right? Because we don't know, as somebody asked this question just recently, I don't remember when, but we explained why, because we don't know how, maybe that person is not going to take money. Maybe he's going to use it, maybe something that is going to be opposite of a blessing for you, right? Not a good idea to say blessing on that. Next one, a right hand. One should give tzedakah with the right hand. So all of the important mitzvahs we do with the right hand. And I guess even for lefty person, so if you give tzedakah to the right-handed person, so give it with your right hand, right? So because for him left is something wrong. So like he would feel that something is wrong. Okay. With right hand. Okay. Next one, standing. One should stand when giving tzedakah, just as one would perform any other mitzvah. Right. So when we perform most of the mitzvahs, we stand. In some of the mitzvahs, we sit. So that's a famous debate. What to do during the Kiddush, right? Friday night, Shabbos day, Havdalah. Should we stand? Should we sit? Okay. But with most of the mitzvahs, we stand. Oh, and here we go. This tefillin, right? So Ashkenazi custom to stand when we put on tefillin, but Sephardi custom is to sit. Okay. And Ashkenazi custom is to sit during the Kiddush, sorry, and Havdalah. And Sephardi style custom is to stand. Some Ashkenazim also to stand. Hasidim stand. Continue. But with most of the other, like majority of the mitzvahs, we do stand. Same as tzedakah. So you're sitting, you are writing check, for example. Now we want to give this check to the other person, so you have to stand up. Next one, giving an indigent publicly. One should not give tzedakah to indigent in public place because the presence of other may embarrass him. Indeed, it would be better not to give than to give him and embarrass the indigent. I mean, when everybody is understand what's going on, yeah, not to give him. But if he's he's knocking at the door, or he's circulating around the shul and ask for money, of course you can give the money, right? So because he's not going to get embarrassed. But if you approach somebody, Moshe, I was looking for you like in a supermarket, so here we go, you probably, the tzedakah, you probably can use it right now. So the whole supermarket, the whole line is looking at this Moshe with his family, and the faces are pale and red and pale. Okay, so better not to give this situation. Understand? So not to embarrass him. However, This does not apply in situation when the poor themselves are collecting publicly, exactly as we said. So he's going around, so there is no problem. The reason that when the poor approach people in public, they demonstrate that they're not embarrassed. Okay, so if they try to hide this issue that they're poor, that's one thing. But otherwise, there is no problem. Okay, so here's something related to what was asked today. Given a woman in private, but here's a different situation. It's when woman is asking, right? Men should not give women tzedakah in private place, in order that the people should not suspect that they are involved in avert. Okay, that he paid for something. Okay, so don't do that. Okay, so and to women, it's better to send your wife, to your sister, your mother. I mean, to somebody. First of all, it's always good to give other people opportunities, so they be in shaliach, your messenger. So and they also get the part of the mitzvah. Very good. Okay. So next one, given on condition, it will be returned. If one gives money to indigent on the condition that he will repay it, an individual has not fulfilled the mitzvah of tzedakah. So it's a mitzvah of loan, yes, and but it is a special separate mitzvah to give poor people loans, right? But it's not tzedakah. Of course, we're going to learn later. So it's possible to say this person is borrowing from me money, right? And but I know most likely he would not be able to pay. But if he would not able to pay, I give to him as tzedakah, right? So if he pays, let it be loan. If he cannot pay, no problem. I'm not going to press him. It's let it be a tzedakah. Okay, it's also a possibility. Okay, so next one. Indigent does not want to accept. One who gives money to indigent, but he does not want to accept it. It's not fulfill the mitzvah of tzedakah. So you cannot force this tzedakah. No, you need it, right, to somebody else. Okay, he does not want or she does not want, just stop it. Back off. Okay, I think we can... No, it's a long story. I guess we stop here.